Hello folks and welcome to Western Honda Stirling. What we've got to show you today is this lovely delivery mileage Honda HR-V 1.5 petrol manual SE. The car doesn't even have 10 miles on the clock and it saves you fantastic £2,430 on the price new. The SE is the middle of the range and it comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, as you can see them there. Really large boot space, class leading for the car, with a very low loading edge, so everyday life is made very simple for you. A fantastic flexible arrangement in the rear seats, which we call Honda Magic seats, meaning that they will fall down absolutely flat. You can recline them and the base of the seat will go up just as a cinema seat does. The standard equipment for the car includes front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, automatic lights and wipers, Bluetooth, cruise control, electronic parking brake, and many more. With these fantastic savings from new, the cars will not last long, so please hurry up to book your test drive. Give us a call 01786 406200 or fill the online inquiry form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.